Great things are done when men and mountains meet. The best view comes after the hardest climb. You are not in the mountains are in you. Hi everyone, today is the International Mountain Day. December 11, International Mountain Day was designated by the United Nations General Assembly in 2003. The General Assembly encouraged the international community to organize events at all levels on that day to highlight the importance of sustainable mountain development. International Mountain Day is observed every year with a different theme relevant to sustainable mountain development. FAO is the UN organization mandated to lead observance of International Mountain Day. The theme for International Mountain Day 2010 was Mountain Minorities and Indigenous Peoples. It aims to raise awareness about indigenous peoples and minorities who live in mountain environments and the relevance of their cultural heritage, traditions, and customs. Here are some interesting facts about mountain. According to the UN Environmental Programme, the definition of a mountaineers includes approximately 24% of the Earth's landmass. The majority of mountain ranges on Earth are millions of years old. The Himalayan mountain range dates back to 55 million years ago and makes up the world's tallest mountains, including Mount Everest. Many mountains exist underwater. Sometimes their summit reaches above the water surface. Hawaii's Mauna Kea is taller than Mount Everest, reaching 33,480 feet from the ocean floor. The Rocky Mountain Range stretches from Canada's west coast to Mexico. It is the world's second largest mountain range. Mountains are the beginning and end of all natural scenery. These vast structures cover around 22% of the Earth. 80% of the Earth's fresh water originates from these high rocks. About 56% of biosphere reserves are housed in these towering peaks. Clad in snow and lush greens, they are home to 13% of the world's population. Mountains are home to a number of indigenous tribes known for their unique tradition and culture. 15 to 20% of global tourism is credited to mountain tourism alone. These mountains are precious and add beauty to the world. Tips for protecting our biodiversity. Raise awareness about sustainable environment. Preserve mountain ecosystems and culture. Promote mountain recreation, sports, tourism activities. Educate the next generation of mountain explorers and empower them to be effective. Thank you.